Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting off with the Maybelline FitMe Concealer in the color 10 Light and just putting that all over my eyelid, acting as an eyeshadow base. Then using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I'm going to give my eyelid crease a wash of brown, and this also makes it easier to blend in the other eyeshadow colors. Next, I'm using the color Faint from the Urban Decay Naked Basics eyeshadow palette to add more depth to the outer corner of the eye. To do this, I'm using a fluffy brush by Still Spa Essentials, which proved to be not as effective as I had thought for this part because I wanted to pack more color, and so I switched to a more denser eyeshadow brush. So the brush I switched to is actually the Still Spa Essentials Smudger brush. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Professional Defining Eye Brush and the color Crave from the same palette to add some black to the upper lash line. Then I just went back in with the fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out that outer corner. Next, we are going to wet the e.l.f. concealer brush with some MAC Fix Plus. And we are going to use this brush to pack on this crushed metallic pigment by MAC Cosmetics in the color Silk Stocking all over the eyelid. Then using the Annabelle Eyeink liquid liner in the color black, I'll be creating some wings. Now I'm just using my Revlon lash curler. And I'm going to coat those lashes with the Makeup Forever Smoky Extravagant Mascara. This mascara is bomb! Now I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the color Blackest Brown to just fill in my brows. Going in with the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara to just lock in these brows. Next, I'm going to apply some falsies, and I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies with the Duo Lash Glue. Then I'm going to apply the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer all over my face. Yes, fill in those pores! And I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the color NC20. Usually I'll mix NC20 and LC30, but this is okay for today. Oops, almost forgot the concealer. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me just under the eyes. And I am using an e.l.f. angled contour brush to blend this out. Then I am using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend out my foundation all over my face. And of course, I forgot my moisturizer. No wonder my face was feeling a little dry. I'm so smart. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium to cover up these dark circles. I wish I was on vacation right now getting loads of sleep. I mean, I have deep crevices in my under eye area regardless, but when I don't get enough sleep, these look so much worse. Next, I'll be applying the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC20 with my Mikasa Beauty F120 brush under my eyes and kind of around the face. Using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the color medium / deep, I'll be contouring the perimeters of my face with my Mikasa F111 brush. Now using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Baked Bronzer in the color Saint Lucia, I am again using my Mikasa Beauty F111 brush to bronze up the face. Next, I'll be using my MAC Cosmetics Powdered Blush in the color Mocha to bring some color back into the face using a Mikasa F110 brush. And of course, everyone's favorite, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder for mainly the under eyes, but also light dusting all over the face. And I am again using my Mikasa Beauty F120 brush for this. Going in with the color Crave from that same Urban Decay Naked Basics palette for some color on the lower lash line. Now to get that amazing glow, I'm using my favorite drugstore highlighter, which is the Maybelline Masterchrome in the color 100 Molten Gold with my e.l.f. blush brush. Wow, didn't that sound like I was giving some sort of commercial, or I don't know, I was a radio talk show host or something like that? I don't know, I felt like that sounded really weird. Anyways, I'm just brushing this on the high points of my face, so that is the tops of my cheekbones, ooh yes, and also the bridge of my nose, under my eyebrows, so basically the brow bone, and the, did I already say bridge of my nose? Yeah, bridge of my nose, and I think a bit on the cupid's bow if you'd like. Going in with this Bare Minerals lipstick in the color Visionary to give my lips that light pink shade of color. Shade of color. Is that a grammatically correct phrase? Is that something people say? I don't know. I said it. And it also matches my outfit. Win-win. I'm going to go over that with this NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil in the color Dolche Vita. Finishing the look with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. And there you have it, an easy Indian makeup look.